Okay, sis, get off. Let him push it. Okay, sister. Hey, Kendall, get off. Let him push. You might want to move, baby. Kendall.
I'm the youngest.
You are so big and strong.
Yeah. And oh, ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah. This is really heavy.
It is very heavy. Mommy had a hard time carrying it.
Yeah. It's very heavy.
Good job, big strong boy. No, he's just gonna push it back.